Yeah, this is in a 2018 HRV. Basically what they did, they busted out on the bottom and they busted out the keyhole and broke in the car and stole the airbags. That's going around a lot. So what we end up doing is adding a shock sensor to the factory alarm system. So if somebody walks up and first of all, if they try to bust out your window, it'll fire off. If they bust out the keyhole, it will fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works. To disable it, you just hit the same unlock. This is a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. So there's no need to add another alarm on top of another alarm. These cars come with alarms already. What you can do to do a test, lower your driver's window down, close the door, hit lock on the remote, give it about 40 seconds, reach in and open the door and see if the factory alarm fires off. If it does, and then I can add my kit to it. And therefore, first of all, you don't have to carry another fob around. And second of all, it will be all incorporated in the same factory alarm system. The kit also does a bypass. So in the event that somebody busts out the keyhole, they can't shut off the factory alarm system. So you don't have to worry too much about that. So in essence, if somebody opens, I want to go ahead and arm it again. Okay, I'm going to give it the 40 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and put my key in the door and open it, and the alarm is going to fire off. Normally in your situation, it won't fire off because when you turn the key in this cylinder, that will shut off the factory alarm. But when I install my kit, my kit does a bypass in that situation. So that's not going to happen. So the alarm will fire off. Basically, this shock sensor protects your whole car from bumper to bumper. Any banging around will fire off the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and open the door and show you guys that the alarm will continue going off. Okay. I was unlocking it the wrong way. I was going the opposite way. I'm going to go ahead and rearm the system and then test out the other side of the glass. Meanwhile, you're probably asking yourself, why do I need to, if I buy a car that has an alarm, why do I need to add anything to the car? If I spend so much money on the car, yes, it does come with an alarm, but the problem is Honda doesn't include any type of sensors because they don't want, you know, for you to have false triggers and to have to deal with, you know, you're going into the service department and my alarm went off and the thunder or whatnot. So they just make it basically, if a door is open, that's pretty much it. So that's not gonna do anything for you guys as far as stopping anybody from taking your airbag. So that's why it's crucial that you add this sensor to your vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side now. Okay. This is the shock sensor add-on on this 2018 HRV. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our phone numbers are 305-298-4814. 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.